What's up, people? How you doing?
Just giving y'all a little update on what's going on here in the 757. We got some color. We got the pans DP90'd, 2K'd. Got that all DP90'd and 2K'd, DP90'd and 2K'd, DP90'd and 2K'd. Kick panels DP90'd and 2K'd, ready to be prepped. All up under here, ready to go as well. Thought I'd cut this fender in too. It still need a little work over there, but should be good. Just a little update. It's been I didn't really want to take no video of me painting or nothing. Kind of boring, sanding and painting. I mean, you've seen the Karate Kid. Sand the fence, paint the fence, you know. Wax the wax on, wax off. I mean, y'all know what to do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is where I'm at. You know, got all this all buttoned up. Get down here low, get y'all some under. From the under, looking crisp. But yeah, about to do some more painting, throw some pigment on here and some undercoating. It should be nice. But yeah, man, all right guys, deuces, be easy. Like, subscribe, ask some questions, you know, that really helps me out. But all right, y'all have a good one, and bye for now.